Hello my YouTube family, how are you all? Today I'm going to make Easter bonnet hat, and it's a very nice and creative idea. You can see I made a beautiful nest for the birds and for the chicks, and there is a cute bunny as well, and I used some Easter eggs. And please watch the full video and you will know how I made it. And this is the beautiful nest, and I also put some eggs inside it, and it's a hat basically. You can see my cute daughter is wearing this Easter bonnet. For making this you will need a hat, and there are some flowers on this cap, and for making nest I will use this coconut husk, and this is very important to give a very natural and original look to the nest. And I will also use these clays to make a cute chick and a bunny. So let's make a nest first, and I will also separate the husk and I will join it with the help of hot glue. You will join it in the round shape and you will attach the husk with the help of hot glue, and it will make a very nice nest. You will also fill the base of this nest. And guys, it's a very fun project for me to make it, and it's very cute as well. Make it for your kids and enjoy it. The nest is ready, so now I will attach this nest with the cap with the help of hot glue. Okay guys, I'm using some plastic eggs, and this is like we can buy it from any candy shop, and it comes with a very nice coating. This is for kids, it's a candy, and I'm not taking the brand name because it's just a basic brand. So you can take any egg shape thing, and you can also decorate it with any style you want, and you can also make eggs with clay. So I made little cute face, and I will take more eggs because I want to give a complete nest look. So let's attach this egg with the nest, and I'm also using some snowman that is also made with clay, and the tutorial of making the snowman is also uploaded on my channel. So I will attach some eggs, and I will also make a bunny. In the front side of the cap I will attach 2 eggs, so it can give a really cute Easter look. And now I will make a cute chick as well and a bunny, and chick and bunny will also be attached. You can see I'm trying to fix the snowman with the help of hot glue, and these things I made earlier in the Christmas, and this is a cute little Christmas tree, and I'm also utilizing it because I wanted to give it a very cute, a festive look. So let's make a chick. So you will need a yellow clay, and you will make 2 balls and you join it together, and after that I will make cute eyes with white clay, and you will add texture of the eyes with black marker, and you will also add the chick mouth, and you will need an orange clay, and you will add the mouth, and this will look a realistic look, you can see. So you will finish this chick making process, and then you will add all these models to your nest. Let's make hands of the chick, and we will also attach this chick with the nest when it will be dry. And you can easily use hot glue or any other paper glue to attach this to the nest. Apply hot glue and attach it with the nest, and it is giving a very cute look. So now I'm gonna make a cute bunny. You will need a pink clay. I didn't have white clay, so I wanted to make a pink bunny. So I'm making. You take 2 balls of pink clay and let's make it. We will make eyes. We will also make ears, and we will also need a dark pink shade of the clay to make ears of the bunny. So now I'm making feet, and later on I'll make eyes of the bunny. And you will take 2 small pieces to make the ears of the bunny. For making these ears, you will need a dark shade of the pink clay, and you will put it in the middle to give it a really cute bunny ears with light pink and dark pink. And here is the dark pink shade. I will put it in the middle of this ears like this, and later on this will get attached. We don't need any glue to attach these ears, because this is air dry clay. This is the best clay to make the crafts, because we don't need any glue for that. You just need a clay. You can see I'm trying to fix it, and this will get attached. This will get joined with it automatically, because this is air dry clay. So now let's make eyes and little cute nose of the bunny, and the lips and the mouth. So your bunny is ready, and little pink shade on the cheeks, and use hot glue to attach this cute bunny on the nest. Okay, I'm putting some extra eggs and to give it a very real look, and I'm putting some glittery threads. I had it. Thank you for watching. Bye.